This vehicle comes with a Porta Potti, which means it is certified self-contained for freedom camping should you choose to do that. The Porta Potti is stored under the passenger bench. It is made up of two detachable sections, the flush waste tank and the waste holding tank. The toilet must be used with the blade open. To open the blade, pull the blade handle. Make sure you completely close the valve after use. To empty the Porta Potti, separate the waste holding tank and take it to an authorised dumping station. If you are staying in a campsite, you will have access there. Otherwise, you can contact our team for alternative solutions. Remember, there is a £200 fine if the toilet is not emptied.